friends, and welcome back. If it's your first visit, welcome to my happy home. My name is Arelis. I am so happy that you could join us. You guys, I am so excited for today's video because today I am teaming up with 10 other amazing creators to bring you some tablescape ideas for the holiday season.
Welcome to my happy home, where I bring you DIYs, hauls, home decor, thrifting and much more on a budget. If you're interested in these types of videos, then please like, comment and subscribe.
Now my friend Heidi asked 10 friends to join her in this collaboration to give you some ideas how you can set your table for the Christmas or this upcoming holiday. And you guys, I am so excited because I cannot wait to see what all the other participants are bringing to this table. So before we just dive into this video, I want to take this time to thank Heidi for bringing us together and setting up this collaboration. Make sure that after you watch my video, you go over to the playlist that is linked below and check out all the other participants who has joined us on this collaboration. And I am so sure that you won't be disappointed. So let's quickly get started and see what I am going to create for this collaboration.
Well, as you can see, I have a glass table, so I always start out with a table runner or a tablecloth. And you guys, I have a surprise for you because knowing me, I cannot do just one tablescape, so I'm going to be showing you two tablescapes. And this first tablescape is going to be a tablescape that is suitable for a lunch or a brunch. And as you can see, I am starting off with my simple neutral table runner and my 4 neutral placemats. I'm starting off with adding my red chargers. These are a thrifted find that I picked up years ago, and I got them for 50 cents each. Next, I'm adding these gorgeous Christmas tableware that I borrowed from my mom. And you guys, they bring back so much memory because as a kid, we used to eat off of them every Christmas. If you've seen my after Christmas sale haul, I picked up these gorgeous winter picks. And I will leave a link of that in the iCard up here and in the description box below. And I'm just adding these on both sides of my table. And to sprucen up the evergreens a little bit more, I am adding these beautiful red pine cones that I've had for years. I love decorating with pine cones, so I'm using these large bleached pine cones to cover up the hanging hooks. Now, since I feel that there's a lot going on with my tableware, I am trying to keep my centerpiece very simple. So I'm using this glass decanter and I just added a few wintry evergreen picks with some berries that I really am loving. And I'm adding on both sides these white Christmas trees. And you guys, I really wanted to do a haul on these. These were after Christmas sale last year. But anyway, I didn't have the time to share that with you. I'm also adding some little green pine trees to this table. Now I think that every tablescape needs some candles to bring that ambiance. And I am just adding these simple off-white large candles that I did a little DIY on. I just wrapped them in this simple red present wrapping ribbon. To give my tablescape that extra festive look, I am adding some simple red ornaments. These napkins and these super cute napkin rings in the shape of a reindeer. I did a haul on these in my 2 previous videos. If you missed that, I will link that up here. But I think these are a great addition to this tablescape. And I love that these napkins are very simple, like I said, because I think there is a lot going on with these plates already. Okay, now this might not be etiquette appropriate, but I just love to do playful things with my flatware, and I thought it was a fun way to add them to the top of my plates. And here it is, my Christmas brunch tablescape. I am so in love with how this turned out. And before we move on to my second tablescape, I'm going to give you a up close look of this entire tablescape, how it turned out. Now for this next tablescape, I want to show you how easy it is to switch from a brunch tablescape to a dinner tablescape just by switching out a few items. And for this tablescape, I'm going to keep the table runner and the 4 placemats. First, I'm going to start off by creating my centerpiece, and for that I am using this wooden riser. I got these beautiful red berry garlands, there are 2 of them, and I'm going to be wrapping both of them around the riser just to give it that fullness. Next, I'm adding this large hurricane that I thrifted last year. I got 2 of them for €5. And these red berry picks that I recently hauled, you guys, I love them. I wish I had more, but I had to do with what I have. And I am just covering up the wooden riser, and I'm using these red pine cones to fill up the gap. Next, I'm going to add some ornaments to the hurricane. And I love to add some lighting, and I have these beautiful LED battery operated ornaments that I'm going to add to the hurricane as well. Now, how about these beautiful ornaments that I picked up, I think it was 2 years ago. They were 49 cents each, and I got 10 of them, and they go so perfect with the style that I'm going for this Christmas. So I'm adding 4 of these beautiful ornaments and some regular red ornaments, and I'm topping that off with 3 more of the red pine cones. For my place setting, I'm going to be using these beautiful, simple yet elegant plates that I thrifted. I think it was 75 cents or 95 cents each. And you guys, I don't have a lot of plates, so you will see me use these in more tablescapes. On top of the dinner plates, I am placing these beautiful Christmas salad plates that I recently thrifted. You guys, I think they are so pretty, and I got them for €1 each. I'm not sure if you're familiar with the designer brand Villeroy & Boch, but here in Europe it's very popular and it can be quite pricey. But I was so lucky to thrift these crystal candle holders for only 50 cents each. And these white pigs were also a recent thrift find that I hauled. Make sure you check out that video that is listed in the description box below. But I am using 2 of these pigs on both sides of my centerpiece. Next, I want to share with you how I fold my napkins for this tablescape. And starting off, these beautiful red napkins, they are so pretty, you guys, as you can see. They have like the holly printed in them. And actually, these napkins were a find at the 99 cents only store in Los Angeles. I got them a few years back when I was there on holiday. And like I said, they are so pretty, but very fragile because they really tear up easily. But I am using these napkins together with these thrifted napkins that I recently picked up, and just putting them together like this, and just pulling them together makes it like a really full bundle. And like I mentioned in my previous tablescape, I like to do my flatware just a little bit playful. So I am just sticking them into the napkins like this. And same goes for my stemware, you guys. I don't have a lot of them, so I am using these simple wine glasses for this tablescape. And since this is a evening tablescape, I thought it would be fun to create my own name tags. For that, I'm going to be using these self-adhesive craft paper, some photo paper, and this red and white rope that I have. And what I'm basically going to do is I'm going to stick these self-adhesives to the photo paper and then cut them out into squares, and then add or glue on the red and white rope to create the name tags. And of course I'm going to be needing a name card holder, and for that I'm going to be using this simple red present wrapping ribbon and some candy canes. And I'm just cutting off the excess packaging of the candy canes. I'm going to leave them in the packaging because I don't want to get them all sticky and stuff. So I'm going to use a piece of the ribbon to tie them all together and then make sure to arrange them so that they can stand by themselves. Now, how cute are these? I think they work so perfect for the holiday season. And here it is, an overview of my Christmas dinner tablescape, you guys. And sorry about the bad lighting because I was losing daytime, so I really had to wrap this up really quick. But anyway, here is the tablescape, and let me show you how it looks like up close.
And that's it for this video, you guys. I hope that you have enjoyed this and that I could have given you some inspiration on how you can decorate your tablescape for the Christmas holiday. And remember, after watching my video, don't forget to check out the playlist below and check out all the other beautiful creators that have joined me on this collaboration. And I want to give again a special thanks to Heidi for putting this collaboration together. So anyway, I hope again that you have enjoyed this. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, you guys. Really, that helps my channel out a lot. And if you happen to stumble by for the first time or you haven't subscribed yet, I would totally love it if you would consider hitting that subscribe button and become a resident of my happy home. So for now, I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I see you again in my next video really soon. Until then, always remember to live, laugh and love. Bye guys.